Hey guys, it's me Evelyn, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make your YouTube channel header. It's a bit complicated. YouTube actually gives you guys an image on how to do this. Your pixels are going to be 2120 by 1192 as a full document. You cannot make it no smaller. It has to be this resolution. The reasons are because the TV resolution will use the full resolution or the full image that you make, which will be 2120 by 1192. The desktop max, if you have a big screen, will be 2120 by 350. Tablet will be 1536 by 350, and desktop will be 1280 by 350. Now, so since we are desktops, ours are going to be like this here. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to make something like that. So, we're going to have to create a new document, which I've already done so, and I already have my middle part set. You're going to make your middle part, like I said, 1280 by 350, and once you have that selected, you're gonna go to file and new and create one of that size, and you're gonna want to fill it in with a color, and then drag it to your blank document, which will be the 2120 by 1192. You're gonna Control A to select all, and you're gonna click center, so that it centers like so. And our logo will be in the red box, just to say. So I'm going to use these photos of Janie, or maybe not these two. Maybe I'll use the other ones because I have more of them. So maybe I'll use all of D-Unit. So dragging all 13 photos of D-Unit to create a big D-Unit type blend. So I'm not sure how this is going to go, so I'm just going to go ahead and do a square. I'm going to go to Image, Crop, Image Size. So I'm going to do 400 by 400 pixels, and I'm just going to crop all my images down to something like that. So now that they're all cropped, I'm just going to go ahead and do this here. So they're all going to be tabbed next to each other, and on my blank document, I'm just going to drag them all onto it using my move tool, like so. So now they're all here, I'm going to create a type of blend thingy majiggy. I'm not sure what I'm doing. A tile text thingy. So we're going to do Janie up here. We're going to have Janie. Oops, wrong image. We don't want them all touching each other, so I'm just going to go ahead and just place Janie in all four corners, because I have 4 Janie photos and only 3 of the other members. And we'll just mix them around after that. So I have that there. Then we have Zen. Bang, like that. It's off, but it's okay because I'm going to go ahead and merge them all. Right click, merge layers, and then I'm just going to go Alt and just drag down, so we'll have these ones kind of covering those ones, and then Alt again, and we'll have those ones kind of covering these ones here. So we'll have something like this here. And we're going to merge the layers like that. So we have a nice little tile blend. So now we're going to make this red bar appear and drag it on top, because that's where our logos are going to be. So I'm going to actually change this color to a darker gray. So I'm just going to do something like that. I'm going to fill the box, and I'm going to set the box to lighten. Well, it's not really going to matter. You're going to create a color. So I'm actually going to bump the saturation up on these ones here. Change the yellows to a different color. Something like that there. Like the reds. Something like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and black and white the image. Just because I think I like to black and white. I like black and white a lot. So let me see. I actually kind of like the way this one looks. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Now we have my text. I'm just gonna set that to normal because we want our text to be within. And select all and make sure that it's in our center. The box is in our center like that. Grab your text tool. And you're gonna pick color you're choosing. Since I'm going to use a purple color and make it dark, like so. Now you're going to type in whatever text you want. I'm just going to put D unit, or how about, just going to leave it D unit, and I'm actually going to stretch the size out so that it kind of fits within the box. So you don't want it too big. So I'm going to have it like that here. It's kind of still big. If you want to have more text, I could put text here and here. I'm going to select the box only. Hold the control, select the box, and have your move tool selected. You press center and center. So your font centers, and then you're gonna put like, and type in talk to my face. I'm gonna go on my font size. Like that. Now you can change colors. I'm actually going to change the face-to-face colors, so I'm going to do maybe blue. Now you can remove this here, and we're going to have something like this. Now a little trick I like to use sometimes is change the pass-through if you're on a group to color burn to see how it looks on your image, and it looks actually kind of cool. So I'm going to set it to color burn or linear burn, which would look better, linear or color. Let's check this one to linear burn. Linear burn looks better, it looks more darkened, so change it to linear burn. And then one last thing, I'm going to go ahead and add a gradient. I'm going to do black to white and set it to soft light. So I have something like this. Now it's time to save, so you can go to File, Save As, and save it as PNG. Name face to face. I'm just gonna save it in my Beast folder because I'm, cool like that. Oh, don't forget to sharpen. So we're gonna go and sharpen after we're done saving. So, like I said, once it's done saving, we have to sharpen. So Shift Control E to merge layers visible or flatten image. And we're just going to go to Filter, Sharpen, Smart Sharpen. I like to use Smart Sharpen because it actually sharpens the image quite nicely, like so. Let's see before, after. Much better. Then Shift Control E and resave it as a PNG, like so. So now since saving, you're gonna go ahead and change your channel art. I will change mine, and you're gonna drag your photo here. So I'm going to click and drag it. So it's Beast High Quality and D Unit. Click and drag, and it's gonna go and upload. I'm gonna pause because it's gonna take a second. So once you're done, it's gonna show your desktop preview, TV preview, and mobile preview. You can adjust the graph you want, and then press select when you are done, and it will be saving and saving. And then when you're done, it will look like this. So when people visit your channel, you have a cool little header to show off your channel. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Bye.